It's Apollo.
Houston, we have a problem.
Thank you, Apollo, yeah.
Houston, we have a problem.
Thank you, Apollo, yeah. It's Apollo.
Alright, y'all, let's not waste no time. Let's go ahead and start this haircut tutorial. We're doing a 1 all the way open, which is equivalent to a 1.5 with the grain. I'm using my Gamma Ergo clippers. So the beginning, the intro that y'all just saw, I had a subscriber reach out to me and asked if he could send me some trimmers. He wanted me to check them out, and the whole shop absolutely loves them. They're called the One Hitter Trimmer. After me trying them and letting the other guys try them out, that was the intro of this video. He later then stated to me through via DM and told me that his barbershop / apartment burned down. Very unfortunate, and we are very sorry for that happening. So what I want to go ahead and do, guys, is I'm gonna put the link in the description below. If you like the way these trimmers hit, I like the way they hit.
I know you want
I'm not really trying to like push him or get any kind of payment off of them. He's not paying me or nothing. I just want to, you saw the messages. He lost a lot of his clippers, a lot of his stuff that he used to cut hair on a day-to-day basis. Lost a lot of the inventory for those trimmers as well, because he's selling them. Guys, the link in the description below. If y'all want to purchase a pair, it'll definitely help him out. I just feel like on this channel, my team Gifted, we're all family, and when someone's in need, I feel like we're there to help. So again, the link in the description below. Anything that is purchased through that link for a trimmer, guys, again, they hit, but it's more than just a trimmer that hits. It's helping someone out in these tough times. So anything that is purchased through that link, man, goes towards a good cause. As you can tell right here, I showed them off a little bit in the beginning, but I did it again, and these hit, guys. This is the kid I'm using them on. You'll see a little bit of redness because I'm still trying to learn how to have that tension with this trimmer. I am a heavy-handed barber, so for those that see a little bit of redness, that's okay. There's no irritation, no cuts, no burns. I'm just still learning, figuring out this trimmer. But for the most part, guys, they hit. They don't leave any kind of crazy irritation. They don't cut anybody. And if you are a light-handed barber like Shannon, S Crab Blends, he's a super light-handed barber, and he barely just taps at the line. Like right here, I'm barely putting any kind of pressure. That C cup is crazy. It's crazy. These liners do definitely hit. channel. I know y'all can go to the link in the description, purchase a trimmer if you like, and it's going towards a good cause. But let's go ahead and line up this other sideburn. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Alright, y'all, the moment y'all have all been waiting for, the lineup in the front. Y'all can tell he has a lot of baby hairs that we need to line up. We're not going to push it back. We're not going to put it where it's super dark. We're going to line up his baby hairs because when he gets older, guys, that's where we want his hairline to be. I always tell the parents this. It's always good to line up the baby hairs because if you keep going against the baby hairs and doing the razor, me personally, I didn't use razor on this kid. I normally don't use a lot of razor on kids. Depending on if the parents okay with it or not, but I just like to line it up crispy with a hitter like this, and it's good enough for me. It's good enough for the parent. They actually asked for no razor, so I'm cool with it, and it's just the education behind it of getting razor burn. You can prep the skin, of course, add some shaving gel, but being that it's a kid, I just feel like with the trimmer it's sharp enough, and you want those hairs to grow in as much as possible as he gets older. You keep cutting against it, keep shaving it off, keep using the razor in that area. That's where his hairline's gonna be as he gets older. So I'm just keeping it as natural as possible, lining it up, keeping it crispy. Add that oil sheen to it, man. Nice, clean, simple cut, 1.5 all the way around. Lined it up with some ice picks. But man, he was looking rough in the beginning. Alright, y'all, if y'all are not subscribed to my channel, make